but I am an alligator, based on the original Charlie and Lola stories. Characters created by Lauren Child. Text based on the script written by Bridget Hurst. I have this little sister Lola. She is small and very funny. One thing Lola loves is dressing up. This is my favorite fancy dress costume, and I'm not never taking it off, says Lola. Then Lola says, did you know alligators live in swamps and rivers where they are very difficult to see? That's because they are camouflage. And you know, alligators lay eggs, not babies. And sometimes they grow bigger than even our table, says Lola. So, you see, Charlie, alligators are really very interesting. That's why I am going to wear my alligator costume all the time. So I say, all the time, Lola? And she says, yes, Charlie, I'm not taking it off ever. Never. When Mom takes us shopping, Lola says, I want to eat what alligators eat. I say, I don't think they eat frozen shrimp, Lola. But Lola shouts, oh, they absolutely do, Charlie. Alligators love frozen shrimp. And I say, shh, Lola, everyone's looking at us. At the park, Lola is still wearing her alligator costume. Marv says, have you asked her to take it off? So I say, a gazillion million times. But she says she is going to wear it forever. And Marv says, well, she can't wear it to school, can she? And I say, no, she can't wear it to school. Of course I am going to wear it to school, says Lola. And I say, I really don't think it's such a good idea. Won't your friends think wearing an alligator costume is a bit strange? Lola says, no, Charlie, I think they will all want alligator costumes too, especially when I do my talk. So I say, your talk? And Lola says, yes, Charlie, we have to do a talk in assembly tomorrow. It's called All About Me. Then I say, but you are not an alligator, Lola. Don't you think it would be better if you tell the whole school about you? Dressed as you? You could tell them about how you like drawing and how you always hop into bed and how pink milk is your favorite and your best. Lola says, that would not be very interesting. Everybody already knows I like pink milk. And so I say, I could help you with your talk if you like. But Lola says, I do not need any help. At assembly the next day, Lola says, my name is Lola and I like dressing up. At the moment, I like dressing up as an alligator because it is my most favorite costume and it is my best. I used to like dressing up as a Spanish lady or sometimes as a circus person. But I could also dress up as a doctor or a caterpillar who turns into a butterfly. And the whole school says, wow! Lola says, I love dressing up because I can be whatever I want to be, and that is my best. Everyone cheers, and I say, well done, Lola! The next day, Lola is not an alligator. She has whiskers, pointy ears, and a tail. Lola says, meow! And I say, oh no! The end.
Hi everybody! If you enjoyed this video, subscribe here for more. Bye!